Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aprilia. I'm master degree student of Nature Science Education in Indonesia University of Education, and now I want to present my research. The title is Metacognitive Skill Profile of 8th grade junior high school student. Metacognitive skills are one of the essential competencies in 21st century learning, as they enable students to consciously manage their thinking process during learning. Metacognitive skills not only involve acquiring knowledge, but also foster the development of self-regulation or self-regulating learning. Previous research indicates that metacognitive skill can improve conceptual understanding during learning, said Dikova et al. 2024. Metacognitive also plays a role in enhancing higher order thinking skill, Sais et al. 2022. This study used a quantitative approach with a descriptive survey method. Participants in this study were 241 students at Junior High School X in Bandung City. The distribution of participants by gender show 40.2% male student and 59.8% female student. The instrument used was the Metacognitive Awareness Inventory (MAI) developed by Scrow and Denison 1994, adapted into Indonesian. Data were analyzed using descriptive statistics to describe the student metacognitive skill profile across each dimension and subdimension, including calculation of means and percentage. Descriptive analysis results show that the metacognitive skill profile of junior high school student encompasses two main dimensions and subdimensions. The main dimension consists of knowledge of cognition and regulation of cognition. The knowledge of cognition dimension show an overall mean of 4.22, indicating the middle to high category of metacognitive awareness among grade 8 juniors high school students. Declarative knowledge or DK mean 4.37, 80.6%, highest among all subdimensions. Students demonstrate strong awareness of their own abilities, strategies, and factors influencing their cognitive performance. Procedural knowledge or PK mean 4.21 or 77.2%, lowest among subdimensions. Students understand how to use learning strategies, but consistent procedural application in real learning thus remains suboptimal. Conditional knowledge or CK mean 4.04 or 81.6%, highest percentage overall. Students show good awareness of when and why to apply specific strategies, reflecting a more complex level of metacognitive thinking. This dimension achieved an overall average of 4.20, placing in the highest category. This indicates that junior high school students generally possess a good level of metacognitive knowledge. That is, their awareness of their own cognitive processes, strategies, and when to apply them. Cognitive knowledge or CK, 81.6%, emerged as the highest subdimension, meaning students are relatively well able to identify when and why to use particular learning strategies depending on the context or text demands. This reflects a mature level of strategic awareness. Declarative knowledge or DK, 80.6%, also score high, suggesting that students have a solid understanding of what they know about themselves as learners, including their strengths, weaknesses, and the nature of different tasks. Procedural knowledge or PK, 77.2%, was the lowest, falling below the dimension average. This indicates that while students know that what strategies exist and when to use them, they are comparatively weaker in knowing how to execute those strategies step by step. This gap warrants targeted instructional attention. For example, through guide practice, think aloud protocols, or step-by-step modeling of learning procedure. The overall average across both dimensions positions student metacognitive skill firmly in the highest category, 40.8 40.18. This in encouraging findings suggesting that the learning environment has fostered meaningful metacognitive development. However, the slightly lower score in regulation of cognition, particularly in the information management strategy subdimension 71.6%, points to specific area for improvement. Students may benefit from instructional intervention that explicitly train self-regulatory behaviors, such as planning, worksheet, reflective journal, or structured peer monitoring activities. The response distribution data reveals that students are generally active metacognitive learners, with most behaviors occurring at the open level. However, the spread of response, particularly the notably proportion choosing sometimes across nearly all subdimensions, suggests that metacognitive practice are not yet fully internalized or consistent. IMS requires the most urgent instructional intervention, while CK and DS represent areas of genuine strength that could be leveraged as models in classroom metacognitive training. The data from the table shows that in the knowledge of cognition dimension, the most frequent student response was often at 32%, surpassing all other response options. Never, rarely, sometimes, mostly, and always. This indicates that students have begun to develop their metacognitive awareness, although it has not yet reached a consistent level. Similarly, in the regulation of cognition's dimension, the majority of students also responded at the often scale at 29%. This suggests that student metacognitive skill in the regulation dimension have likewise begun to take shape, yet remain inconsistent in their application during actual learning activities. The gender gap in metacognitive skills points to the importance of gender-responsive instructional strategies. Male students, in particular, may benefit from more structured guidance in metacognitive practice, such as explicit modeling of planning and self-monitoring behaviors. The higher variability among male students also suggests the need for differentiated support to address those at the lower end of the performance spectrum. The data confirms that female students in the sample possess both higher and more consistent metacognitive skills than their male counterparts, underscoring the need to consider gender as a relevant factor in metacognitive development and instructional design. The metacognitive profile of students at junior high school X falls in the medium-high category, with the knowledge of cognition dimension slightly exceeding regulating of cognition. The strongest subdimensions are debugging strategies and declarative knowledge, while the weakest subdimension is information management strategy. In terms of gender-based metacognitive profile, female students demonstrate stronger metacognitive skill compared to their male counterparts. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.